How to recover deleted files on any device. The ultimate guide. Accidentally deleting important files can be a nightmare. Whether it's a cherished photo, an essential business document, or an entire project folder, losing data can feel overwhelming. But here's the good news. With the right approach, you can recover your deleted files on any device. In this guide, we'll walk you through step-by-step instructions for recovering lost data on Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and even external storage devices like USB drives and SD cards. Let's dive in. Understanding file deletion. What really happens? When you delete a file, it's not immediately erased from your device. The system simply marks the storage space as available for new data. This means you have a good chance of recovering it, if you act quickly and avoid overwriting it with new files. Recovery success depends on several factors, such as the device type, how long it has been since the file was deleted, and the methods you use. Here's how to handle recovery on different devices. 1. Recover deleted files on Windows. If you're using Windows, the easiest way to recover deleted files is by checking the recycle bin. Step 1. Check the recycle bin. 1. Double-click the recycle bin on your desktop. 2. Look for your deleted file. If you find it, right-click and choose Restore. If the file isn't in the recycle bin, don't panic. You can use file recovery software like Recuva or Disk Drill. Using Recuva. 1. Download and install Recuva. 2. Launch the program and select the type of file you want to recover, e.g. photos, documents. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan your drive. 4. Select the files you want to recover and save them to a different location. Recover deleted files on Mac. macOS also offers a few built-in solutions for recovering deleted files. Step 1. Check the trash. 1. Open the trash from the dock. 2. If your file is there, right-click and select Put Back. Step 2. Use Time Machine. If you've enabled Time Machine, recovering deleted files is simple. 1. Connect your Time Machine backup drive. 2. Open the folder where the file was located. 3. Use Time Machine to browse previous versions of the folder and restore the file. If you don't have a backup, consider third-party recovery tools like Disk Drill for Mac. Step 3. Recover deleted files on Android. On Android devices, deleted files are often recoverable if you act quickly. Step 1. Check the trash in Google Photos or File Manager. 1. Open Google Photos and go to the trash. 2. If you see your file, select it and tap Restore. Step 2. Use Android data recovery software. If the file isn't in the trash, try data recovery apps like Dr.Phone or Tenorshare Alt Data for Android. These apps require a computer connection and may need USB debugging enabled. Step 4. Recover deleted files on iPhone. On iOS, file recovery options depend on whether you've enabled iCloud backups. Step 1. Check the recently deleted folder. For photos and videos, 1. Open the Photos app and go to Albums, Recently Deleted. 2. Select your file and tap Recover. Step 2. Restore from an iCloud backup. 1. Go to Settings, General, Reset, Erase all content and settings. 2. Set up your iPhone and choose to restore from an iCloud backup. For more advanced recovery, use tools like iMobi Phone Rescue. Step 5. Recover deleted files from external drives. External storage devices like USB drives and SD cards are prone to accidental deletion. Use Disk Drill or EasyOS Data Recovery. 1. Connect your drive to your computer. 2. Download and install Disk Drill or EasyOS Data Recovery Wizard. Scan the drive and recover your lost files. Pro tips for successful file recovery. 1. Stop using the device. The more you use your device after deletion, the higher the chance of overwriting the file. 2. Backup regularly. Prevention is the best cure. Use cloud storage or external drives for regular backups. 3. Use trusted recovery tools. Avoid shady software that may compromise your data. Stick to well-known recovery programs. Final thoughts. Losing files doesn't have to be permanent. With the right tools and quick action, you can recover deleted files on any device. Whether you're using a Windows PC, Mac, Android, iPhone, or an external storage device, there are multiple solutions to help you get your data back. Don't forget,